Tired of struggling to stream movies on Discord without lag or audio problems? Here's the exact step-by-step to get it working perfectly. I've spent a lot of time testing this in real Discord servers, so I can show you exactly what works and what doesn't. No more guessing, no more frustrated friends waiting for the movie to start. First, join the right voice channel, then enable screen share. I'll walk you through each click so you can start streaming in minutes. All right, let's jump in. Start by navigating to your Discord server. I'm going to open up a server that I use regularly for testing this exact process. You want to look for the server where you and your friends hang out. This is the home base for your movie night. Now, click on the voice channel you want to use. This is a really important step. You need to actually join a voice channel, not just a text channel. I click on the one labeled General or Movie Night, whatever you've set up. Once you're in, you'll see your little icon appear at the bottom, and you'll hear that soft click as you connect. Your friends will see you join too. Next, find and click the Screen Share button. It's that little monitor icon with an arrow pointing up, located right at the bottom of the voice channel controls. I've seen people miss this because they're looking in the wrong spot. It's down there, next to the mute and deafen buttons. Click it, and a new window will pop up. Choose the application or window you want to stream. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. You don't want to share your entire screen, because then everyone sees your desktop icons and any notifications that pop up. Instead, select just the movie player or the browser tab where the movie is playing. Finally, click to start the stream. Go ahead and hit that Go Live button. Your screen will now be visible to everyone in the voice channel. They'll get a notification saying you've started streaming. This might take a moment to process, so be patient. In my experience, it usually kicks in within a few seconds. Ensure audio is shared properly for movie sound. And here's the really important part. By default, Discord might not share the audio from your movie. Look for a little checkbox or toggle that says Share Audio or Include Audio. It's usually right there in the stream settings window before you hit Go Live. If you miss this, your friends will see the movie but hear nothing. I've made that mistake before, so double check that box is checked. Have a friend confirm they can see and hear the movie. Now, ask someone in the voice channel to give you a thumbs up. Have them say, "Yeah, I can see it and I can hear the audio." This confirmation is gold. If they say it's pixelated or choppy, you might need to lower your stream quality or ask others to turn off their video cameras to free up bandwidth. If there's lag or no audio, here's how to fix it. If your stream is laggy, close any other applications that use a lot of internet, like downloads or other streaming services. If audio isn't working, make sure your system sound is turned up and that the movie isn't muted in your browser or player. Sometimes you have to restart the stream after checking the audio box. It's a simple fix that works almost every time. And that's it. You're now ready to host movie night on Discord. Go ahead. Grab some popcorn, invite your friends, and hit that Go Live button. You've got this.